Here I've got Nokia 6.1 and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should scroll down and select system, and now go to date and time. Now as you can see, you can either have automatic date and time or you can switch it off and set the date and also time manually by yourself, so it's all up to you. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone by tapping on this switcher, and then you can select it. At first just select the region, so let me pick for example Argentina, and then the time zone. So that's it. You can also set it up manually, and then you can change the format of your clock, so you can either have automatic 24-hour format clock, which is accurate to the time zone that you choose, but if there will be like 12-hour format clock, the normal one, the automatic one, then you'll be able to enable 24-hour format clock here. So that's actually all. If you would like to go back to default settings, to automatic ones, simply tap on those switchers, and as you can see, everything has changed. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.